what I did is I took a one for opening range breakdown on NVDA. So just a really nice 5-minute opening range breakdown, sold off rent green, a beautiful 5-minute opening range breakdown at around 117 all the way up to 112. That's what exactly I posted, and that's what I got.
I would like to invite all of our members to join our first ever live trading workshop. It's a full day event in Fort Lauderdale in Florida. We're gonna have live trading with some of very best traders in the community, walking around you, helping you to make the decisions while you are in the trade, while you are practicing to make you a better trader. If you're interested, sign up betterabletraders.com/workshop. We have few spots left, and I'm really looking forward to see as many of our traders in the event. I think it's going to be amazing.
Good morning, everybody. So
yeah.
welcome to another episode of market volatility. So yesterday, inflation was hotter than expected. Market gapped down and then rallied up significantly. Don't ask me why. It doesn't make any sense. And then today, market gapped up, was trading at above, and then at 10 o'clock, the consumer sentiment came in, and it seems that the consumer still believe into the economy somehow or something like that, and then market tanks really bad and it's going to go down. And my expectation is market is probably going to sell off another 2-3% today, or maybe just staying around here. But the main point here is when the market was going up, it was all Fed, and now that it's coming down, it's all Federal Reserve. It's just the zero interest rates that push everything up and down. So for me today, I had a very nice swing trade I actually posted on Twitter. So I had a very, very nice, I think I took 15,000 shares of TQQQ yesterday. I said, you know what, the market was so strong yesterday. I just took some TQQ, popped up right at the open. I sold it above $20 at over $33,000 profit. Yeah, and that was awesome. But the bad thing was I actually gave it all back after another really bad trade on TQQ. So TQQ at the open, again, this is my first trade that I did. So my average was at $16, sold it, and then I took a very big size on it, and just got out of it, a heavy size on that, and I just gave all the profit back or something like that. And so that was it, and the market really sold off. And then now we're talking about NVDA. So NVDA, the semiconductor have been very, very, very weak. Overall, semiconductors are getting destroyed. The Intel, AMD. My man AMD is being traded at $57. Like, have some mercy, investors in Wall Street. This company is just, was trading at the high of $160, and now it's trading at 2019 levels. And there is really no bottom for semiconductors as well. Like NVDA, another one, my man NVDA, it was trading at $325, $360. It's just gap down significantly, and it really lost that. So what I did is I took a one for opening range breakdown on NVDA. So just a really nice 5-minute opening range breakdown, sold off rent green, beautiful 5-minute opening range breakdown at around 117 all the way up to 112. That's what exactly I posted, and that's what I got. Now it's bouncing back, but I don't know if it's really going to go back to VWAP or green. I think it's going to stay just doing some pullback and continue going down. Tesla was giving me a little bit of a hard time at the open. Sold off below the VWAP. I tried to go short on it. I got squeezed a couple of times. Eventually, I got a really nice 5-minute opening range breakdown. I added a couple of times on the way down as well from the high of, I still have actually some shares. What do I have? From 222, and I still have some shares that is going down. Plus, obviously, I'm back holding a bunch of other stock that holding and see how it is. So today overall was a really, really nice day, and I'll see how it goes, and looking forward to see what tomorrow brings for us. But what we are having right now, the market is down 1.4%, SPY is down 1%. We'll see how it goes. 10 o'clock was the time that this thing came in. Another big news that I have for you, it's not really that big news. So for Florida meetup, guys, originally we were thinking maybe we can get 20 people. And now we have almost 60 people coming. So the room is great. The hotel Westin is amazing. So a lot of our moderators decided to come. Carlos, Norm is joining. I think the only person who's not coming is actually Ed because he has some commitments. Everyone else is really coming. Susan is coming. Ad is coming. Brian is coming. Peter is coming. So it's going to be an amazing, it could be an amazing, like an annual general meeting of Bearwood traders. That would be really nice. And we have all day. The Westin, we have a discounted room for those of you who are coming out of the city, out of the States. It's $165 a night for Westin, which is a really nice hotel. So sign up. I think the room maximum is 100. So we were thinking of maxing it at 50, but I hope that I can get as many as you guys in there. I will be in Orlando the day before for a presentation at Money Show. Then I'll either fly down or drive down to Fort Lauderdale. And I hope that I can have a couple of more of you guys joining us. It's going to be amazing. This is the first one. Mike did a lot of work on that. And hopefully we can have so many of you guys. So Brian, how was your trading day?
That was pretty good. I did the same thing as you did yesterday. I just carried some TQQ through the night, and I sold it this morning in the pre-market. And I didn't go back into it because I kind of figured we'd be doing what we've normally been doing here at the open, just getting choppy until we sort of come up with a direction. But I did do a rising devil trade on ACI. It really didn't move very much, but I got short at 27, around 27.11, and just covered it all the way down to 26.60, and then it just started to come back up, so I stopped out of the rest. Other than that, yeah, just been trading in and out of these drops and pops on the markets, using index SPX, S, and SPXL. And so overall, plug was another rising devil trade I was looking at, but it did not check one of the boxes I like to see going into the open, so I did not trade it. I'm glad I didn't, because it really just squeezed up, as opposed to popping up and then dropping. So anyway, that's followed my rules and saved me from losing money on plug. That's it.
Well, thank you so much, guys. God bless you all, and see you all. Today's Friday, and have a good weekend. See you guys on Monday morning. Today's Friday, yes? Yeah, Friday.
It is Friday, yep. Friday. There is no tomorrow.
Okay.
There's no tomorrow.
There is tomorrow,
right.
But tomorrow is Saturday, so don't listen to Brian. Have a good day, guys, and cheers.